Hi guys.
Hey guys, hope you're doing good.
Watch 'em run away. I got no, I got no rival.
So finally the day has arrived where we're leaving for our trip.
Yes,
Where are we going?
going to Bali.
Brownie, you gonna miss us? You gonna miss us? This is how you're saying goodbye to us?
Behave yourself.
Yes.
Yo, so we have reached the airport and we are looking.
Yes.
We are checking in, and I'm pretty sure
Hopefully.
Yeah, our luggage will go through because someone has.
Because you have done overpacking. So hopefully, however, we are flying through Singapore Airlines. By the way, they have given
Show
us
off.
they have given us 25 kg per person. So I think हो जाना चाहिए.
Yeah. नहीं होगा तो उसको बाहर. I mean,
Your
she'll not
clothes will
come.
be out. Your
It's okay.
clothes will be out.
Chalo,
Okay.
bye.
क्या बोला तूने?
Yes. What? Food?
No.
Then?
So there is east and west side. कौन सी side जाना है?
East and West. Together the West.
ऐसे में बड़ा सख्त लौंडा हूं, लेकिन यार यहाँ में पिघल गया.
So we are done with our luggage checking, we are done with our immigration, and now we are here at Adani Lounge having our breakfast. Super hungry. Here is the best view. We are having our breakfast.
Where are you going? No, we're going to Singapore first. क्या हो गया? भगवान की याद आ रही है?
Hi guys, so we are here in Singapore. We just landed, and see, I think in half an hour we have our next boarding.
Yes,
Yes.
we have. And it was a great flight. Very
Yes.
nice.
It was a lovely
food.
experience. Good food.
Right.
Um,
Great staff.
yeah,
nice
they were
hospitality.
very sweet and had an amazing experience. So yeah, we are super tired already. This flight was for 5.5 hours. Now our second flight is for 2.5 hours.
Yes.
But it actually didn't feel like you're sitting for too long or something.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Bali
now
chalo.
we are going to Bali.
And madam,
Super tired.
okay.
Now we're left with immigration bag we have to collect. Luckily, we have done our visa online, so we don't have to stand in the line
Okay.
for visa. So we have saved a lot of time for that.
Superb.
But I just want to go and sleep for today. It's I think already 12.
Where's your watch? Watch ka?
It's already 12 by now. So just want to go and sleep and start fresh tomorrow. Oh my God! Just look at this line. I don't know till where it is. But luckily we have done e-visa, so just going to scan and go. So we are done with all the formalities,
Yes, it took us a lot of time.
Yes.
We thought that it would be a very smooth process,
but
but
immigration line was
absolutely it was too
very
long.
very long.
Luckily, we caught some Punjabi boys.
Yes.
We had a great time with them.
Total fun. Hopefully we plan to meet
Yes,
them in Gili.
absolutely.
And
Now we've reached Bali. It's 2
Yes.
a.m. in the night, 2:30 a.m. in the night, and we are planning to go to a hotel and sleep.
yes, totally. So we're gonna start fresh
Yes.
tomorrow.
The next day.
Hi guys.
Good
A very
morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
New
What a
day.
night! I mean,
Yeah.
we slept so well,
We slept at 3:30
and
and we are starting the day today.
this is
We'll also attach, by the way, the room tour. They did a cute decor for us,
Yes.
and the property is really amazing. We'll attach the clip after this. So let's start the day.
let's start it. Let go. up?
Hi guys, so we are here at Prime Cafe, the most famous cafe here in Bali, and we are having amazing breakfast with here. And he's still working here. So guys, after our amazing breakfast, we have come here to our first beach club, that is Atlas.
Yes.
So how are you
Kangoo.
liking the Bali
It's very
life
nice.
so far?
Beautiful vibe. So many
Yeah.
Indians, but at the same time, it's such a beautiful place.
And the vibe over here is really amazing.
It's very new. It's very fresh. It's very young.
Yeah, totally. So let's see
And it's
how.
a great place that everybody should come. I'm pretty sure for all age groups. I'm pretty sure everybody would be enjoying this kind of a vibe.
So we are enjoying here in the pool.
It's a beautiful place, Atlas.
Yes. And you should just see what view we have here.
So we've left from Atlas and we're heading for Fins. It's quite close. Really
Yeah.
excited for the world's best beach club.
Looking
And
forward
looking
for the
forward
fun.
for it. We've
And
done all our
it's
bookings.
Saturday night. Yeah, regarding the booking. So there's a lot of line, over there. So we just thought of doing a priority entry over
Right.
there. So we'll be heading there now.
Yes.
So let's go.
Hey, what's up?
Hi guys, so we had a very great experience at Fins Beach Club.
Yes, correct. It was too good. The people over there,
Yes.
we met a lot of foreigners, especially.
Yes,
They were
my
so
God.
sweet.
Actually.
I mean, they were apparently coming and, like
Asking
appreciating.
if you all want to click couple pictures.
Absolutely.
Of course, he received a lot of compliments for his outfit and everything. But more or less, had a great experience here. Right now,
It
we're
is
going to.
actually a very, very beautiful club.
Yeah.
And we actually were having a discussion between what was better, like Yona or Fins, but both have a fantastic competition.
Yona is in Bangkok.
Phuket.
Yeah, Phuket.
Yes.
Sorry. Yeah.
So yeah, it was a great experience. I would really recommend each and every one of you all
Definitely.
to. It's like hands down a
It's
beautiful
an
place.
experience in all.
Absolutely.
So for now, we are going for another clubbing.
Yeah, we're going to La Favela
Yeah.
and let's see.
And hopefully we get some time to sleep because tomorrow we have yet another hectic schedule.
Yes.
We have to wake up early. For what? Keep watching. Hi guys, a very good morning. It's
Good
a
morning.
new day, new adventure.
New adventure.
So we woke up at 5 o'clock and slept at 1:32,
Yes.
I believe. So right now we are heading out for Nusa Penida day tour.
Right.
And
Super sleepy.
last night for this clubbing, it was really fun. We made 2 new friends from China. The boys were really sweet.
You were kids.
Yeah, they were kids. One was actually 18. But yeah, So basically, people over here are very polite and very sweet, you know. That's one thing we have understood about them. So yeah, now we are just waiting for our cab and we are going to the port.
Actually, so cold right now, and we have left. That's my driver. Hello. Hello. Hi.
Hi guys, so we have reached Sanur Port. We'll just show you the amazing view from here.
Finally, Jaan mein Jaan aayi. We just lost our track,
Yes.
and
We just lost basically our group
yes,
and
we were calling our driver. He wasn't answering. Luckily, the original company helped us with the same. But now it's all good.
yes. All set. Are you scared? All the best!
How was it?
We are back to our port.
It was a very nice experience.
Yes, we
Although
enjoyed.
I feel the management was not that great as it was in Phuket, but
Yes.
still it was good.
And I also had little seasickness. So, but nonetheless, so far it was good. And right now we are heading for lunch, and then we'll go to explore more islands. So guys, we are done with our day tour and we visited couple of beaches and the experience was really good. But nobody, told the reality behind how much you have to walk, all the inclines and declines you have to do. So don't forget to wear comfortable clothes and shoes. So that's it for now. We are heading back to our port and then we'll be back to Kuta city, and then let's see what's our plan like for evening. Mostly we do plan to go for a beach club, so stay tuned.
A huge shout out to our friend Danny. He's been so great and so wonderful. He's been there throughout, right from clicking the pictures and everything, whatever we needed.
Totally.
One stop person was Danny. So we really thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. India. Good. After a long day of all the island tour, we have finally reached to one of the best places that I wanted to go. That's the Luna Beach Club. So really excited, and this is actually like a getaway.
The next day.
Hey guys, good morning. So we had a great sleep last night and I'm all set to go to the gym, followed by a swim. And then we have a day, we have exploring the temples as well. So see you.
morning or rather good afternoon. So for today, for now actually we are here chilling in the property. I'm editing couple of shots for the vlog what we have to post, and meanwhile Vidur is in the pool chilling around. He loves swimming for some reason, I don't know why. We have an amazing view of the property. किसकी फोटो देख रहा है? Missing him?
Where's eyes, yeah? Papa coming to you soon, baby. Papa coming to everybody soon.
Hi guys!
What's up? So now we've done our entire morning chilling session.
Yes.
We had a great time. I went to the
It was
gym.
a super needed
It
one.
was needed. Now we are heading for one of the most famous temples. That's the Uluwatu temple. There's also like a Ramayan dance.
Dance show, yes.
So
correct.
that's called the Kekak dance, and it just shows the significance of Indian mythology. So that's also something which is very cool. कुछ पेरेंट्स के लिए भी दिखाना पड़ेगा ना कि सब कुछ बोलते ना अच्छे बच्चे बन के भी जा रहे हैं,
Yeah.
not always partying and all. But post that we're going for partying again.
Yes.
So yeah, stay tuned.
What are you wearing?
This is orange malmal kapda.
But why are you wearing it?
For I got an option, I will not get NC if I don't wear it. This
No.
is for people who are covered.
Yeah.
And that's for people who are nalla punjab.
Yeah, purple is for people who are wearing shorts, and this is for people who are wearing good clothes, full clothes. This is their ritual which we fully respect and we are following it. We are at Uluwatu temple and here we are watching the famous dance. What's the dance?
Kekak dance is the Ramayan dance.
And we just showed the amazing crowd.
So we just got done with the Chak Chak fire show, and it was too good. Like the Hanumanji was the star. Of course, he's always the star.
And the sound what they were making
yes.
was, spreading very positive vibes
Oh yes,
throughout.
but we will be attaching the video as well. But
Yes.
it was so nice. Everything, whatever we knew about Ramayana, it was depicted the
Yes.
same way. And yeah, that's about it. थोड़ा उसको आग भी लग गई बेचारी को.
Yeah. So right now we are heading to Savaya. So see you there in 3, 2, 1.
Yo!
Hi guys, so we are back from Savaya and we had a really great time. So tomorrow we are leaving for Gili, and so far our experience here in Canggu,
Canggu.
It's Canggu,
Canggu.
it's Canggu.
Canggu.
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
So it was a great experience in Canggu, Kuta, Seminyak, and it is a place that I would recommend everybody to go. Tomorrow it's Gili,
Yes.
and very excited for this small island, and let's see what it holds. There is a short ferry tomorrow, which Shruti is very excited for. So it's okay. It's gonna be great, and yeah, followed by another destination.
So would also like to share a couple of things regarding this trip. One is regarding the ATM transaction. There are certain good banks and there are certain bad banks who would like to
Which charge you extra markup fees as well.
So we'll give you the list for that. Regarding all the bookings of the events and all the tour, we had pre-booked before coming here from Get Your Guide and Klook, which made our trip easy. We didn't have to go here and there and figure out all the stuff. So that also saved a lot of time. We had also done few bookings for all the party places as well. Even for the SIM card, you do get it on Klook. But that's totally up to you if you want to get it from there, or you also get an option from where you can take it from the airport.
Right.
Yes, and also I don't know how true is the fact about Bali Belly, but we didn't want it to take any kind of risk, so we just had mineral water. We also brushed using that water because we didn't want it to take any kind of chances. So yeah, we had a really great time here in Bali.
Bali में तो अभी पूरा ट्रिप है भाई
in the
Canggu.
sense in Canggu. Really looking forward to spend more days in Gili. So thank you guys so much for
Trimaki Sea.
yeah, that means thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Not Terimaki Sea, it's Trimaki Sea. So yeah.
So thank you guys for watching our vlog so far, and if you guys like our channel, please do subscribe.
Of course they like. That's why the family is growing.
If this video goes live, hopefully it'll be more than 2,000 by far.
Hopefully.
They are going really great, fingers crossed. So yeah, thank you so much.